Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20. Today I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. Let's open Google Pay, tap on Passes and tap on this blue button. Right here you've got three options: public transport, loyalty program and gift card. If you tap on public transport, you can choose a public transport you want to buy ticket for example this one. You'll be redirected to website, finish the form and buy a ticket. Let's go back. If you tap on loyalty program, you can choose a shop you want to add your loyalty card to, for example IKEA. Scan your card or enter details manually, then tap save. Similar with gift card. Select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance and your notes, then tap save. And that's all for different cards. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.